Here are the steps for a flawless polyaspartic installation with Florida Paint's Flo-Spartic line. Flo-Spartic has a 1-to-1 mixing ratio. It is recommended as a top coat over either an epoxy or polyurea base coat. Step 1. Mix the product. Pour the part A into a clean mixing bucket, then add the part B. Hand mix 45 seconds to a minute until fully blended. If you are using one of our color pods, add half of the color pod to the part A first. Mix until the color is completely uniform. Then add the part B and hand mix thoroughly. Whatever you do, do not drill mix polyaspartic. Step 2. Apply the product. Pour only what you plan to use immediately onto the floor. Keep the rest in the bucket to extend working time. Spread the product with a squeegee, then back roll and ensure even coverage. Allow the proper cure times before permitting foot traffic or vehicle traffic. Follow the product guidelines. These steps will help you achieve a flawless polyaspartic installation with Florida Paint's Flo-Spartic.